So today I want to talk about ground compactors. These are really great when you want to make sure you have soil or gravel or any kind of ground that might be soft to then push this down, compact it, so that way it's not going to go anywhere. To break down this model, it does come with wheels, so that way you're able to transport it since it is very heavy. Once in the area that you want, push it forward, flip them back, and then now the wheels are out of the way. This one is a pull start. You do have your on and off with your RPMs and also your fuel valve. Up front, you do have a water reservoir, so that way if you want it to gravity feed down in front, so that way it's going to help compact it, you could use that as well. Soil behind me is pretty damp, so I'm not going to need that feature today. Also, you have a gas can with just a quarter turn twist off. And then you have your filter and your exhaust over here. Really self-explanatory about how simple this product is, and all it does is move by vibration. So let me spread the dirt behind me, and then I'll show you how to start it up, use it in place, and then go over some final thoughts at the end. All right, now that I have the soil pretty much where I want it, you're gonna flip this forward, take the wheels out, lock it into place. You're gonna put the choke on since it's morning and it's a little cold out. You're gonna turn it on. Make sure that your fuel is turned on as well. And that's how simple it is to use this ground compactor. As you saw, it is now level with my driveway, real simple to use. Again, this is a 21-inch ground compactor, and I showed you what it's like that it could move up and down slight hills as well. So that way, if you are trying to compact maybe a little small hill, you'd be able to make sure that that product goes up and down with no issues. Now that it's completely flat and compacted, I could scrape it with my rake right now and then throw some seed down. And in a couple of days, I will have grass and I don't have to worry about that lip at the edge of my driveway. Overall, really great product. Definitely recommend something like this if you are doing some construction around your house or at a job site. And if you need something to compact the soil around you, go out, grab one of these. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching. Good luck for your purchase.